Welcome back, beautiful people. Who's ready for a huge Shein haul? Yes, I did it again, and it's been a long time since I did a Shein haul. Not sure if there's any try-ons, but let's just get right into it. If you like this look, that is the Haunted Europe palette. I'll leave the link up here somewhere. Go check it out. All right. Anyway, so let's get into it. I totally forget everything that I buy, but we have a ton of stuff in here. So, ooh, let's see what we got. Oh, and if you're new, hi, welcome. I'm One Busy Mama, also known as Bethany. Leave me a comment down below if you are new here and just checking out the Shein haul. We do this a lot over here on the hauls. All right, so this is a pillowcase. So it's like a rectangular pillow. Let me see if it gives dimensions. Sometimes Shein is very non-descriptive, but this is a 30 by 50 pillowcase. So it says, "To the pumpkin patch." I love it. And it has the stripes. So I will have to find a pillow, maybe even, it has a zipper, maybe even from the dollar store. I'm definitely putting that out. Oh, this is probably another pillowcase. This is 45 by 45, so that's a square. And it's got the gold pumpkins, just in time, orange and festive. And then these are decorations. I'm thinking to put these in a vase. So if you extend it, probably have to take some, oh, it's bendable. And then maybe extend it. You can see where I'm going here, hopefully. So if you extend it, I think it would look pretty. Get some twigs. It's also great. And then, is this the same? I think this is the same color. It's hard to shop when you don't really know, but the prices are like $1 or $3. I mean, it's cheaper than like crafting store for sure. All right, so if we extend these, you can see and put them together. It kind of looks like a fuller branch. Maybe even get some white flowers in there. That would be really pretty. And then, oh, I got these because they remind me of cherry blossoms, even though they're not. But these would probably look really good. Separated. Oh, yeah. In a vase. It's like a fake Christmas tree. You gotta spread out the leaves a little, make it look like something. Give it some dimension. Oh, but that would look really pretty in a vase. And for the price, I'm like, why not? Okay, and then we got another one. So fan it out a little bit here. Sometimes their shipping is a little like delayed with Shein, but let's see, if we put these together, then it kind of looks, yeah, it looks fuller. You just have to make it work. Be careful because it's obviously not the most highest quality, but look at that. And then get some, those little ties that come on the bread and put that together. All right, this one is a green one, so this is supposed to be like eucalyptus, but I'm not sure how many of these I got, but this would look really nice with some white or even some just plain twigs. Again, branches. You can see, very simple. And then this I got for my daughter because her birthday's next year, so birthday girl. What do you call it? Tassel or oh. I did get something for myself. So this is like a mauve crop sweater. I'll probably try that on. Why not? And then some balloons. There's how many in here? 13 pieces. So, and they're like stars, different types of stars. Oh, I got some more leaves. These are like fall colors. That's perfect. Perfect. Yes. See that? And then just spread them out. Yep. Definitely. Oh, I got another green one. So it can look fuller. I mean, these are cheap decorations that you can make them look really fancy. You know? All right. That was that bag. Oh no. One of these fell off. Maybe I can fit it back in. Okay, so I got this spotlight. It comes with screws. It's white light right here. It's checked off, but it's one of those spotlights that you like put the sticker and turn it on. Pretty sure it needs some sort of batteries. There's the other sticker. So I think that was $1. It was beyond. I was like, oh, who cares? Let's see. What's this? What is this? Oh, look! You can go outside. It's a yoga posing skeleton. Look at the cracks in his skull. That's hilarious. This is cool. It's cool and festive. Perfect time. That's why I went shopping. I'm probably going to do a little more Christmas stuff. Oh, so this is a curtain rod. Double curtain rod hanger. So I forgot how much that was, but it does come with screws. And then I got some curtains. They are 250 by 100, I think, centimeters. And it's supposed to be sheer. That's the point. I mean, they weren't expensive, but it does tell you how to install it. Rod, pocket. It does have a ring, so it's something. And I got another one just in case, because I think this is one panel. But anyway, for the price, I mean, why not? All right, what is this? Everything is a surprise to me. Oh look, it's a lamp. Oh, it's one of those pull lamps. Oh my God, it has a sticker, you know, pull lamp. And you can screw it in, or you could just stick it on. Yep, the screws are in there. That's cool. You know, for like, I don't know, somewhere that doesn't have electricity. Okay, this, what is this? I think this is my flag. Yeah, this is my flag. A bunch of Hocus Pocus. So, you know, the 3 witches from Hocus Pocus. Good, I could put that out today. And then I got a spray bottle. There's a flyer here. This is for returns. This looks like another flag for like after Halloween. And oh, it's the gnome. It's super cute. And it says welcome. Yes. I have a bin that I haven't found for my flags. What is this? What is this? It's just a bag. That's weird. Oh no, it's a planting bag. It's a planting bag. If you're a gardener, you know what this is. So I thought that was pretty cheap, so I grabbed that. What else do we have? I told you it's a huge haul. Oh, tiny gardening tools. you know, they're my little helper. So there's 2 trowels and 1 little rake. And that bag is almost done. What is this one? It said not intended for children right on the bag. Probably because it's sharp. Oh, these are garden shears. Yep. I needed those for the rose bush. Okay, and then we have 1 more bag. Oh, this is cute. This is size medium. These are Doggie Diapers for Gigi. Oh, this is really cute. Got the little legs, adjustable waist here. Okay, super cute. And then this looks like something else for her. Oh my gosh, the underwear. Ah, it says love, like pink. It kind of looks like Victoria's Secrets. And it's got a little tutu. You've got to be kidding. Adorable, adorable. I'm telling you, I forget a lot of the things that I buy, but they're good deals. All right, what's this one? Oh, this is a top here. What size did I get? Sometimes I'm good with the sizes, and sometimes I am not with the size. Medium. That may or may not work. We'll find out. So stay to the end. What's the, oh, shorts, biker shorts. Okay, so we do have some try-ons. This is size medium, and it's got the ruched butt. Oh my God, this is funny. Funny! And here's another one. This is like a taupe color. Medium with the ruched butt. Loving it. What else? Oh, more doggy diaper. Or underwear, really. And this got a little strawberry on it. Oh my gosh. And the drawstring, this might be too small for her. We'll find out. Yeah, find out. And then another doggy diaper. This is medium. This basic pink. She's gonna either love it or hate it. Got a Velcro front. And they look washable. It doesn't give much of a description, but it looks washable. Okay, and then the last thing is an outfit. All right, so this is medium. And it's like cargo pants without the cargo. Kind of see-through-ish material. It does come with a belt loop. And this outfit came with a white V-neck. So let's get into the try-on portion for moi. Okay, so here is the outfit. Like I said, size medium. Shirt fits okay, not too bad. Probably won't put it in the wash. And the pants are good, like just the right length. Also, don't want to put this in the dryer. So it's supposed to kind of be like linen pants too, but this is the fit. I like it. Not too bad. I think a large probably would have been too big. So, oh, and it matches my eyeshadow. Like, okay. What do we think? What do we think? What do we think? It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. Okay, so let's try on the other stuff. Okay, so this is the mauve crop sweater. It's cutting it close. I don't see what the point is. Like, what is the point of this sweater? It's just for looks. I love the color. Love the color. And maybe if I hike this up a little bit, yeah, we can make it work. 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 I like it. I like it. It even kind of goes with the green. Do you think it goes with the green? Let me know. Does this mauve purple go with green? I think so. I think I can make it work. But for fall here or winter here, yeah, I could do this. I could do this. All right, we got more. Okay. Okay. So this top, wrong bra, again, wrong bra. But the fit is kind of right there. Probably gonna give it to my daughter. But I love the color. Like, look at the color, the texture. Look at it, look at it, look at it. And these shorts, are they giving? Are they giving? Are they giving? Shorts. Do they do anything? I'm gonna have to look at the video to see if they're doing anything. I mean, maybe. Like, let me pose like how they be posing. Pose, work. I mean, they're supposed to, like, accentuate maybe long underwear. I don't know. I like them. I'm glad I got a medium because they fit. Last pair of shorts, and then we are done. And I appreciate you guys. This is the dark gray. This is how they're looking. They have like this athletic type thing going on here. But are they doing what they're supposed to be doing? This is like a play on the Amazon ones or the Victoria's Secret ones. Oh, I think you're supposed to like pull it. I think you're supposed to pull it up. That's what I think. Oh, got a hair in my eye. Okay, so is it doing what it's supposed to be doing? Like, is it making it look rounder? I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know. So, what did you think about the haul? Am I extra with this green? Oh, what's that? What's that witch's name? The Wicked Witch of the West. She's got like that green of Emerald City. Yeah, that vibe. That vibe. Mm-hmm. I like this top. I wish I would have gotten a large. I like the shorts too. I love a biker short. Give me biker shorts all day. All right, so that was my haul from Shein. If you've never checked out Shein, you should go check it out. They have deals sometimes for free shipping, sometimes 20, 25, 30, whatever, 50% off. Go check it out. I got a little bit of stuff here, a lot of stuff. I probably should look into Christmas, birthdays, all that decoration stuff, especially if it's one-time use and you're just gonna throw it out anyway. Why not? Thanks for coming, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down below. I do enjoy reading your comments. And stay tuned to the next video. Stay safe.